big problem. It's a global crisis at this point. And I'm gonna bring it up here. See if I can get this here.
Uh-oh,
all right.
props.
Yeah. All right. So
Terrifying.
it's quite a problem.
You probably heard me say for years that I don't mind governments telling us what they want to accomplish, but usually we've got some pretty smart engineers to figure out the best ways to accomplish them technically. Well, again, the Europeans are the ones dictating timing for European customers, and you know their.
But you wouldn't
their
just
rules.
probably change it in one area.
Oh, Joanna, you're trying to get me to predict the future,
Oh,
or at least
okay.
disclose it. And you know me better than that.
All right.